She is looking clean, as you guys can see. Woo! Beautiful, beautiful car, guys. As you can see, nice and clean. It's finally time to get some summer preparation, guys. Now I got the Golf R up here and I'm about to peel off our cover there for the winter and getting that car prepared for the summer. Here are some parts that we'll be doing this summer. We will be going stage 2. If you guys don't know yet, the car is actually on stage 1 right now with EQT, and we will be upgrading to stage 2 this summer. So we have our intercooler down here that we'll be installing, including our IE. Our boost pipes are all in there as well. And we have our IE integrated engineering high flow coated downpipe in the process as well. And as you guys have seen in the past, where I've been complaining some of the NVH situation that we're having, there's some sloppiness on the some of the hard drives, some of our peels, where we're getting a bit of some mounts situation going on, and we could pretty much feel some of the vibrations when we take off, when we actually launch the car. So hopefully this will do the job. These are pretty much the inserts for the dog bone inserts, and so that way we can eliminate some of that sloppiness when we take off. So anyways, guys, that's going to be the plan here, is to get all these things going, and hopefully we can prepare the Golf R here pretty soon. So please, again, stay tuned for the summer coming up, and we're going to be doing quite a bit of work on the Golf R. So yeah, stay tuned. Beautiful car, guys. As you can see, nice and clean, being tucked away over the winter time. Looking so nice, guys. As you can see, can't be even happier to see this car all peeled off now. So basically here, we're not driving the car yet. It's not time for me to drive the car yet because the streets are pretty dirty still, waiting for the streets to be all stripped up, and we'll be driving this car pretty soon. A lot of you guys are questioning, hey, why are you not driving this car at all? Well, this is just my toy. I drive it hard in the summertime. People think that I don't even drive this car at all. I do drive it. I drive it every single time I actually have the chance to do so. I work from home 100%, so the only time I truly drive this car is when I truly need to get out or possibly have a meeting downtown. But anyhow, this car is definitely a summer and weekend cars for me, because that's the only time that I truly drive, because my job doesn't require any driving around. So I work from home 100%, like I mentioned. So anyways, guys, it's not that I wanted to garage queen this baby and I don't want to drive it at all, but why would I drive it if I have other cars to actually drive in the process? So anyways, guys, if you have any problem with that, let me know. Okay, guys, we're taking the Golf R today, taking it out and parking it in here, because I'll be working with the 88 Gen Honda Civic today. We're doing some maintenance on it. It's time for its maintenance. So we're taking the Golf R here for the meantime. And we will be parking it over here because I don't want it to be parked over there with all the dust, because there's so many trucks going by back and forth and I don't want to get dirty yet. So basically we will be driving the car out in time for a cold start. So stay tuned. Cold start. We now have the Golf R parked in this side. I just want to show you guys how clean this baby is from the inside, how anal and meticulous I am on this car at all. As you can see, before we store it in the wintertime, we just basically park it and store it this way, and everything covered pretty much, so it stays nice. And everybody asks me how I keep my steering wheels nice and clean. That's basically how I do it. And every time I drive the car, I use my gloves, because I do get sweaty hands when I drive, especially when I drive this Golf R. Sweaty hands plus oil and all that, it basically ruins your steering wheels there. As you can see, it's still brand new looking, guys. It's not shiny at all. So that's a tip for you there. So anyways, as you can see from the back, it's looking nice as well. Got a Euro headrest there. And yeah, can't wait to get this car driven this summer. Stay tuned.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities.
Now I have the Honda Civic up here now. I just wanted to show you guys exactly how the underneath, because I haven't actually checked this underneath here in the longest run. Just want to make sure that it looks like we do have our timing chain check plate also leaking on this side, so I'm going to work on that pretty soon. I have done the Honda Civic SI 9th gen in that regard. On this case here, I'll be doing this 1.8 liter Civic here pretty soon as well. It's fairly similar on how you do it basically, so just want to make sure everything's safe before I get underneath there. Yeah, everything's good, we're locked. Anyhow, just wanted to do, making sure that we do a little bit of checking to make sure everything's okay underneath here for the service wise, and see you know, rust obviously, because we do drive the car quite a bit in the wintertime, and this is Sarah's car, and it gets driven in the wintertime, and this is, you know, we bought this used, so it's fairly rusted. Obviously they didn't take care of it properly. Looking good. I'm gonna try and off camera here, I'm gonna check everything, all the bushings, tie rods, making sure everything is still okay here. Nothing is broken, except we do have a leak going on here. Nothing major, just a check plate. Yeah, so we'll do the service here. We're gonna do the oil change today, and just again, every time I lift the car up, I'll make sure everything is nice and clean underneath here, that there's nothing wrong that we need to fix. So anyways, all right guys, it looks like we do need a new tie rod on this side. It's moving now, so it's not so bad quite yet, but it shouldn't be moving like that freely. CV axle is still fine. I don't see any issue there. Probably some dry rotting on our bushing a little bit. There's some cracking going on, so obviously with the age, obviously it's getting old here a bit. This side's fairly solid, doesn't move at all. So yeah, we do have this leak going on the check plate that we need to address at some point. Another video there, that's for sure. And that's pretty much what I'm seeing from the back. Let's see what's going on here. Wow, quite a rear sway bar. It's so tiny. I might want to upgrade this at some point in time. Yeah, the Civic SI, it's like 4 times the size of this, that's for sure. Interesting. Here, looking okay. I don't see anything abnormal. Possibly just rusting out here pretty bad. Similarly on this side. Yeah, so looking good. We just did the end legs recently, so that shouldn't be any issue there at all. So anyways, let's get started and do the oil change. We are done with the Honda Civic here, guys. All changes done. And I'm thinking I might continue on and actually continue with the Jetta. The Jetta just arrived, so I'm gonna do the service on the Jetta as well. I'm not gonna bore you with trying to get the Jetta going, but anyways, guys, please stay tuned. This coming summer, this coming springtime, we will be working on the Golf R for sure. We'll be doing quite a bit of work in here to get this beautiful Golf R going to stage 2 pretty soon with all the goodies that we have right there that we'll be installing. So anyways, guys, stay tuned until next time. Again, as always, peace out. Oh, you guys still here? Well, thank you so much if you made it this far. Thank you for your support as always. If you haven't done so, please hit the subscribe button at the same time. Ring that bell so you guys can never miss any of the opportunities or any videos that I'll be publishing going forward. Stay tuned.